Hey, this is Pat with Rugged Ridge, and I want to tell you about the new HD tire carrier that we offer for the JL. This JL Wrangler comes ready to put bigger wheels and tires on. But with those bigger wheels and tires, you're going to get a lot more weight on the back of this thing. That tailgate is not made for that much weight. If you're putting on a 35-inch tire or bigger on this vehicle, you need a different tire carrier than the two hinges that come from the factory. So this HD tire carrier that you see here has an aluminum cast hinge. This hinge is connected, it's all one piece. It's gonna spread the load completely back across to the factory reinforced mount points. It has hardened steel pins with bronze bushings, and it's paired up with our steel wheel mount. The steel wheel mount is gonna give you the versatility of mounting the tire in a higher altitude, so you don't have the interference with any bumpers. Also, you have the option of doing different depths for different offsets, or if you wanna put it at a slight angle like you see here. And it incorporates a guard for your camera. This whole piece is completely bolt-on. The installation time on these is less than an hour, and it'll give you all the strength you need. These are rated up to a 40-inch tire. So you'll find similar ones out there or other tire carriers in the marketplace. Ours has been well engineered. There are no weak points in here that you may find with some of the other brands that are out there. This has been mil-spec tested. So we have military spec tested this and rated it for a 40. The others have not done that. This is also completely bolt-on, and you can run only the hinge casting or only the wheel mount if you like. Obviously, the hinge casting is the key piece for really saving your tailgate in the long run.
If you like this video, make sure you check out the rest of our product showcase series, as well as our Hot or Not series and our daily SEMA highlights.